precision laser-based metrology tools used in aerospace manufacturing face a unique challenge. They must measure component dimensions to within a few nanometers. To achieve this, the system generates a laser interference pattern that acts as a ruler. Designers often consider flexible output VCXOs because they can be reconfigured for different laser pulse rates. However, the internal frequency synthesis used to provide that versatility creates significant phase noise and spectral impurities. In the world of nanometer precision, this jitter translates directly into measurement uncertainty. The noise floor becomes so high that the system can no longer distinguish between a perfectly manufactured part and one that is slightly out of tolerance. Avoiding flexible components in favor of high-Q, fixed-frequency oscillators allows for a cleaner frequency reference, ensuring the laser metrology system remains accurate to the scale required for aerospace-grade tolerances. Protect your measurement resolution and guarantee production quality by sourcing our specialized low-noise crystal oscillators at dynamicengineers.com.